Welcome to another episode of Anime Food in Real Life. Today I'll be making the potato salad from Chibi Maruko-chan. In this episode, Maruko-chan ruins her older sister's potato salad, but I'm here to redeem Maruko-chan and prove that her mistakes were actually sweet twists of fate. For the potato salad, you'll need 4 large russet potatoes peeled and diced into 1-inch cubes or bite-sized pieces, and 2 large horse carrots peeled and diced into 1/2-inch cubes. Feel free to use less carrots if you don't like them very much. Add the potatoes into the inner pot of your steamer and reserve the carrots to be added halfway through cooking. I'm using my family's electric steamer today, but you can boil the potatoes and carrots normally on the stove. Just make sure to shock your carrots in ice water after blanching, then set aside. Then take 6 large eggs and place them into a small pot and cover with cold water. Once it comes to a boil, remove from heat and cover the pot with a lid and let the eggs sit for 7 minutes, then shock them in an ice bath and let it cool completely. Peel your eggs carefully, but don't worry if they turn out ugly, you're going to be dicing them up for the salad anyways. Then clean and trim the ends and tops off of 6 ounces of string beans. Blanch the string beans in boiling salted water for 5 minutes, then place it into an ice bath. Then cut the string beans into small 1/2-inch pieces. Then take 3 small cucumbers and slice them into paper-thin coins. The next item you'll need is ham steak, but you could also opt to use regular deli ham. If you're using ham steak, make sure you remove the bone that comes with it, then slice it into small cubes. Now that all the toppings have been assembled, add your carrots and potatoes to a large bowl with 1 cup of mayonnaise and mix thoroughly. I know it looks weird right now, but I promise you it's going to taste so good. Season to taste with kosher salt, and let's get ready to mix. I opted to use soft-boiled eggs because I like how it tastes when you add the jammy eggs to the salad. Chibi Maruko-chan tossed in her sister's undercooked eggs, and that's how she ruined her recipe, along with a crazy amount of salt. But I'm here to prove that if you add in just the right amount of soft-cooked eggs, mixed in with everything else in the salad, it's going to be delicious. Now you're just going to continue adding in the rest of the toppings. We had string beans, ham, and cucumbers, plus the mayo. And to finish everything off, we're going to be using ground white pepper to finish the seasoning. Add as little or as much as you like. Finish adjusting your seasonings with salt and more white pepper, then give everything a good final thorough mix. And now for the reveal. This potato salad has been one of my family's go-to recipes for any time we want something light and springy or summery. This has become one of our summer family traditions along with watching Chibi Maruko-chan. He's been such a staple in my childhood, and I hope you guys love this recipe as much as I love her. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!